your cup with you're gonna have a rubber band. You've seen that part. You know how to do that, right? You put the rubber band around the, okay. So you're gonna have your fishing line tied to the rubber band. You've seen that where you hold it and stretch it and get on there. So what you're gonna have to do is you're going to have to get the rubber band on the cup without touching it with your hands. Okay? So you're going to have strings tied off onto this, and I would say recommend having 4 at least. So you're going to have these out. You've done this, right? Do I need to show you how to do that? You understand? Okay, so you tie this on, you pull on the strings, which causes this to open and trap it. Now this part, I will let you use the hands because I don't know if it can be done without them, so I will. So we're going to experiment with a couple different shapes. I'm still picking some different ones out. Poor student, don't do that, it's okay. Hey, look, my potential energy is changing as it bounces slowly along. All right, so then you're going to have some different shapes that you're going to put in here. You're going to have to carry the object without dropping it, go over to another table and tip it into there and then go back into. So it's kind of like a relay race to see which groups, and I don't really care about it being a race, but if you think it's more fun that way, that's fine. But you're going to move 4 objects over, dump them, go back, get another one. Other than putting it in the cup, you cannot use your hands to touch the object. You can't use your hands to dump it. If it does fall out, you will put it in at the spot where it fell out and then finish. So I'm going to move these tables back and give you a little bit more distance here in just a minute. Do we have any questions? Now, I'm going to give you a hint. We've been studying about friction. We've been studying about forces. We've been studying about newtons. We've been studying about different types of energy. So we've got a lot of concepts we've been studying are all together in this lab. So we have different shapes and sizes. We talked about rolling friction. So we're going to have different types of friction based on texture. We're going to have different shapes. Something that's heavy like this, it's going to act different in the cup. It's going to make it swing and sway differently than these weights do because of their density and their shape. So your brain is going to have to process a lot of information. So this is real important. When things aren't going exactly the way we want, it is helpful to tell a partner, go left, go right, tighten or loosen. We do not say, you are so stupid. How could you do that? We don't say things that make, if somebody's already messing up, do you think yelling at them makes it better? It doesn't. So please don't hurt feelings. It's a lab, it's not worth that. We can get frustrated, don't take it out on your partners because that will hurt things. So I think the first thing everybody needs to do is decide who's in what group, and I'll get the scissors out and make sure that your strings are long enough for what you need, but you don't need them to stretch halfway across the room because this has got to get us through the day. So if you want to figure out who you're with and you want to start getting the rubber bands tied off, I will get the rest of it set up for you. Oh, they are. That's not right. There's one string. No, right, that's not going to be a good way to use things. All right. So when you get ready, the bowl goes on that side. You know if I need something else to keep those little things from going away. Let's do this. Keep it on. Okay, so we'll put our objects in the baskets because we're going to be dumping them in the buckets. Okay, so the rectangular baskets are going to have the materials that you're rolling. The buckets over here are going to be your end goal.
Okay, so then 2 down there, 2 more, or 1 more. You're going to do 1 more? Yeah.
No.
That was 1 extra string.
No, we can't.
Yeah, you transfer them and then that's it.
So we have to be far away from the cup. We have to be like.
Oh, good. It's actually easier with 2 than more.
Hold on, we can do it. Walk.
I can't walk too much else.
But we can catch the stuff
So you have to walk
around.
faster.
I'm trying to.
Try harder.
Do you want me to try and get?
No, it's fine. I got it.
Children, you cannot be right next to the cup. There needs to be
Go.
several feet between you and the cup. There's no
Idiot.
point doing this if you're right up on it.
Come on, walk fast.
Jaden, you're not walking. I have to walk when you walk.
Okay, walk
This
fast.
is
So
2
what?
feet, all right? You cannot be closer to that.
Jaden,
I got it.
you're the one walking slow. Look at your steps.
Okay, you guys are still too close. Okay, cut it. Just extend your arms. All right. Now, I'm going to show you how far 2 feet is.
We're 2 feet.
No, we're
2 feet.
This is the closest you can get to your cup. All right.
Don't fall out to left
I keep sliding through my
You're still
fingers.
too close. Back up, bring it. That's not, you guys, Back up. Seriously, you guys are about 8 inches away. That's cheating. You can't do that.
We're cheating.
Okay, well, okay, you're not holding on to this. Careful. Okay, you got a group coming around.
We have to go like.
Jaden,
Team encouragement. It's fine.
Would you not make it in the bucket?
You better not fall right here again.
Oh, good.
swinging. Oh my gosh. Hey, you're too close.
Almost there.
Too close. Too close.
Jaden!
I think we should put the.
Everyone else is gonna
No, we can use 3. You can start right here.
Yeah, why would we start all the way?
Get that straight.
Oh, sweet.
No, that's it.
Pull it wider.
Yeah, good. Oh, good. Careful.
You're walking too fast.
No, it's fine. It's not even close to coming. We're just gonna do all the weird stuff.
You're too close.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, but at least you are ready.
Oh my god. Okay.
I thought that fell.
Spin.
Yeah.
Slide out of my head.
On.
She's talking to everyone. Yes.
I feel like you're just not good
So then, listening to directions.
down.
The strings are too small.
He's saying that we have to do this after we put the audio.
No,
Sliding
let's
among
start
the
with it on there.
I am too.
Miss Voss,
Yes.
we finished, so we took our bucket over there.
Hey, turn.
You got all the objects over there.
Here.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, so it's spin. Pull.
That's,
Tight.
should be all right. So it's interesting. So you think the 4 people group is running better?
Here, I'm gonna fix the bucket.
The cylinders, you see?
Wait, who put their... Okay, whatever.
See how that works?
As I'm trying to tell you.
Okay. This group, you're gonna help me do some experimentation. And we can this fit.
That one looks like. Okay.
We took a bucket over there.
Just make it as long as possible.
We took our bucket with the cup.
Really?
You want to see
Stop.
that?
Yeah, what is that?
I know. Yeah. Let's go.
That's not bad. You're panic. Okay, I was thinking, you said basket, I was thinking bucket, which is round. Somebody's lost a little wooden sphere over there. This group's got.
Jaden.
Shoot, you know where the sphere is?
Yeah, he knows.
Come on.
Come on.
There we go.
Hey.
Awesome. Now, I want to experiment, I know these two will fit, let's see, and then I want you to range them all apart.
Good, we just keep walking in circles.
I know.
Are you ready?
Oh, you just kind of like clothesline me.
We're like,
That's not what we're trying to do. And then if we have time, we have
It was
some
already on
challenge
the
stuff.
table, honey.
No, but we have to get our fingers.
I'm looking for some photos. I have another challenge stuff.
They don't move for the full time.
Okay, I'm looking for a lab that's stored that I can't find. And that's my next.
Get it? Get it? They all roll.
Come on. Hey.
I know.
We're still alive.
Hey guys, just come over. I have a lab all done up and I can't find the photos. Don't, you guys don't bounce the tennis ball, stay away.
Hey, watch out, guys.
Mix it.
Quit acting like you can shoot at me. I thought she said don't bounce the tennis balls.
My chin? I get that.
Yeah, but put it in the middle and then slide it.
Yeah, but.
I found some of them.
And then like,
I understand.
and it's bad that I dream about this too, so everything.
That's gonna fall out.
Not too much. Hey guys, why are you using your hands?
Wait, you
That's
supposed
not
to,
allowed.
hey,
What am I doing that? Ma'am, well, you're supposed to be doing my lab.
Not doing the lab. We're better be doing it.
okay.
This group is pretty.
We did it.
Awesome!
Okay.
Yeah!
Here's your next.
Alright, guys.
Can you design one that's so hard you're the only group that
Wait,
can
let's
do
use
it? And you can use your hands to build it and then see if you can do it.
Okay, so let's.
Give me a challenge design. That one, ma'am.
Oh, wait, how about we do like that? Okay, how about we do that? And, okay, no,
Then
this
this
is
is part first, alright?
the second, this is hard. In my Oh, wait, how about this? And? Or do you want to do that one? Yeah, like that. And then do another one that way. And then do, you know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, well, it's in that. Pick a side. I don't know if it'll stand. No, oh. Okay. What else is like that? It's not gonna stand because this one. Yeah, I don't know. We need a. I could lightly drop it. Wait, maybe it's moving a bit more.
There's already two.
We have like 3 later.
This is not.
Okay, so.
But this is already.
No, I guess it's already blue. No. What do we do with these extra ones? Can I put it up here again?
You guys are getting awfully close to it again. Seating is not the best way to do this. Standing gives you more comfort.
Okay, what else?
Alright. Ooh, this is a good design.
Make sure you're away from the.
What do we do with this one? I don't know. Okay then. Wait.
Can you give us like 6 more cups?
Oh, Lord.
9
You
more.
get on your
9.
He darn